Hi, hello, I'm Ines and you are back with my Beauty Guru channel, and this week we'll be talking all about travel and makeup packing tips. So by the time you're watching this video, I'm probably on the north side. I'm heading to Bangkok for 1 week and I'm gonna go like shopping, makeup, skincare, and the best part, food, street food, halal food. Oh my god. But before we do all that, I have some packing makeup tips. I'm going to show you guys everything in the bag, what I'm bringing, what is the essential makeup that you need to bring, or what I love to bring, and we're going to see right now. So I'm going to fill this in with everything, starting from the way how I usually do my foundation or my makeup. And let's start. Face primers. Few of my favorites here. Eye primers and face primer. Oops, sorry, my bad. Usually before your makeup, you need to wear sunscreen. So this needs to be in your bag. Any sunscreen will do. So I'm gonna slot this here and another one here. I'm gonna bring my favorite foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. This is a dewy foundation, and I'm only gonna bring one because I'm gonna buy more foundation there. So I have two concealers. This is Too Faced Born This Way and NARS soft matte concealer. My favorite concealer is this one. Like, it blends super well and doesn't crease on you. This is by Laura Mercier. The translucent powder. This one sets your face nicely and matte. It does not cloud your pores. We're gonna continue with some highlights. Love highlight. I have this hourglass here, and then some Becca. If you notice, I like to bring minis just because it's super handy. You can put a lot of things inside. And then blushes. So I have one neutral tone here by Tarte. I have few NARS. The famous Orgasm. Another one is Gulu. This is a deeper red berry tone. And one thing about NARS packaging is that I hate this rubber punya material, because everything sticks and you cannot really take it out unless you wash with alcohol. And my favorite blusher currently gives you a dewy look, but like at the same time you only need like the littlest amount. See that? It gives you a natural look. Super love this. You can even use this on your lips. Continuing with eye stuff. So I have my favorite eyeliner, which is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And I have eyeshadow pigment here, where let me show you guys. You only need a little bit. Oh my god. Let me show you what it does. You only need a little bit, and look at that. And to make it even nicer, you can use this as an eyeshadow base, and when you put on top, it gives you a nice finish instead of just using it without base. You can see the difference. Yep. And then more eyeshadow. I like to bring singles just in case, and I like it neutral. And then this one, and eyeshadow stick just to darken up your shadow area. Things like this comes in handy because sometimes you want to cepat-cepat and just put it and rub. More eye stuff. I have my god, this is so ugly, but this is my L'Oreal lash powder. I put it in my handbag, so it became like this. Everything just rub off. But a good mascara. This is Tarte Lashes Camera Action Mascara. And then I have few lipsticks here. Some Colourpop and Fenty. And the most thing that I have in my bag is a lot of brow stuff. Mostly is Benefit here. I have brow pencil, brow gel, more brow gel, and then I have brow pomades. Of course, I cannot like lupakan my eye pencil, they all don't have any caps because I don't know, caps and me just don't go well together. Everything goes missing. And then another brow setting gel. Lastly, we have for the minis, we have setting sprays. I bring a few. This is my favorite, Urban Decay. Then I have the famous Smashbox primer water. I know my hand is dirty. That is how it usually goes with makeup things. You tend to swatch things. And then I have like few Tarte minis. This one is the Radiant Spray, and this one is just a boosting mist. Sometimes when it gets hot, you can just spritz in between. I have my bronzer hula stick, full size of Kat Von D contour palette, and last but not least, eyeshadow palette. I chose this palette because it has like a range of neutrals and also a range of darker tones, so I can wear it from day to night, and it has a big mirror. That is everything. And then I have my brush. I'm gonna put it here. And then this is the rest of the brushes. I have eye brushes from Zoeva, Colourpop, and then some Wet n Wild, Real Techniques, and just some multi-purpose brushes for everything for my face. And it has this thing where it covers all your brushes from dust, which is good. And you can just put it back, and that's it. That is everything, and we are packed and ready to go. So everything that you see just now, that is everything in this bag. By the way, I got this bag from Shopee for 11 ringgit only. Can you believe it? The compartment is super big, and I love it. My 3 packing tips. Number 1, bring mini to maximize the space in your bag. So like the more minis you have, like the more things you can put inside the bag. Second one, bring makeup that are multi-purpose, like brushes. If you use stippling brush, you can use that for your foundation, for your blush, and then like the Velvet Vanity lip and cheek, where you can use it on the cheek and the lips. So that is like 2-in-1. And the last one is bring the makeups that you know that you will use. Like bring the foundation that you love, bring the lipstick that you love. This is not the part where you bring makeup to test out, because you'll be out, pergi jalan-jalan and everything like that. You don't want your foundation to be patchy. You don't want your mascara to run down over your face because you are sweating. So just bring what you know that you will love. So that is my packing tips and everything that I have showed you guys. Now it's your turn. What is your makeup packing tips? And then, do you pack lightly or you bring your whole vanity? Let me know in the comment section below. And we can interact there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my Beauty Guru channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.